Hi friends, Tracy.bish here, Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Australia. Welcome to day 7 of the 12 days of Christmas. I have this fantastic little cracker treat holder, and I've got, I'm going to tell you a little bit about it as we go along. We're using the Sending Cheer stamp set, the cracker treat dies, which is in the annual catalogue. I've got Walk in the Forest DSP, which is absolutely gorgeous. The Balmy Blue cardstock, Balmy Blue ink, and the Simply Elegant trim. Okay, so to start off with, we are going to do our die cutting. I have used a piece of 6x6 DSP. You can get away with 6x5, but the way I looked at it, I get 4 crackers out of this one piece of 12x12, and I've got a strip on each side, so I'm not too worried about that. But you can get away with 6x5. Now what's really important here is what way you put your die down on your DSP. If you have a directional paper, you want to make sure that the die is going the right way. For me, I wanted the trees to be up and down on the cracker, but if it's non-directional paper, it really doesn't matter, and you don't have to listen to what I'm saying. Alright, so we're going to run this one through. We also have a piece of Balmy Blue cardstock for that little label. And I have all the measurements and supplies in a PDF for you. It's a free downloadable PDF over my blog. There is a link to that blog post in the description of this video, so please go over and print that out. Each day there is a new PDF, so please check that out each day. Tell your friends. If your friends like to create little Christmas goodies, please let your friends know. I would really appreciate extra people watching. So we have our little cracker die cut out. We're just going to fold and burnish on all those score lines, and then we're going to come in with some adhesive. I'm using tear and tape on one of those tabs just to pop the cracker together. This cracker is so simple. You don't need instructions, but what I'm doing is I'm going to put these on the Christmas table. I went shopping with my husband the other day, and Christmas crackers are crazy expensive, like super crazy expensive, and there's nothing inside them. You get a joke, you get a paper hat, and you get a piece of rubbish that you throw out that day or the very next day anyway. I did look at some tool Christmas crackers because my son is an apprentice diesel mechanic, and I thought they were really cute, but it was like something ridiculous as well. I think it was like $90, and the tools were not worth that. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to create Christmas crackers for the table. Now it doesn't pull like the normal Christmas crackers. It's not going to have the party hat inside it. I could do some jokes which will work fine inside. But what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to get a little treat to go inside there, and I'm also going to get some scratchies. And, maybe we have a chance of winning some money and having a bit of fun on Christmas Day as well. I'm not sure if that's called scratchies everywhere, but here in Australia it's just, your little pieces of cardstock that you purchase and you scratch off the certain areas and you can win money. I think they're called scratchies everywhere. Anyway, and I thought that would be a really nice idea on the table for, a little bit of fun. Maybe, I know I've got some competitive family members, so there'll be some that'll be wanting to win more than others. And once we have it all adhered down with that tear and tape, we can come in with just our ribbon and create a nice little bow. And it comes together so well because of all the score lines that are part of it. Once you've burnished the score lines, it'll come together, so easily. We are going to stamp on that little Balmy Blue tag with just the ho ho ho, which is from the Sending Cheer stamp set. You could, pop anything on the front of this that you would like, whether you wanted to maybe stamp and cut out or die cut out a Christmas tree, or anything. There's a Saint Nick bundle. You could pop a Santa on the front. Honestly, it's whatever you have in your stash you could do. And wouldn't these make a great little treat idea to give to family, friends, your mailman, your milkman, your local storemen, whatever. I just think with a little scratchy inside, they've got a chance of winning a bit, bit of money, and just having a little bit of fun as well. So I'm using the Balmy Blue ink for this. Now don't forget, all the supplies are listed over my blog if you need any of the supplies that I've used on today's card, or you would like to purchase any supplies. I would love it if you purchased through my online store. I have some great specials each month. So there's a handmade card or project that I send out to all my customers, as well as a bundle tutorial. And November's bundle tutorial is quite big, so you're going to want to get your hands on that. And yeah, I'd love to spoil you as a customer. So I've just added another little bow on top of our sentiment of ho ho ho, and I have popped it up with a dimensional, and there it is. You couldn't get any quicker and easy. You could die cut all of these pieces and then just pop them together while you're watching TV. It doesn't take any time at all, and super simple little project, and I think a nice little gift. And if you're watching your pennies, what a great way to still have that festive season on your table with none of the excess rubbish that you throw away. So I really hope you've enjoyed day 7 with me. You come back for day 8 tomorrow. That would be lovely, and I'll see you all really soon. Oh, just quickly, there are a few offcuts that the die has. I'm thinking I'm going to create a backdrop for a card, so with all the leftovers that I'll have. So yeah, maybe stay tuned for that one. Alright everyone, have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share the video, tell your friends, all those good things, and I'll see you for day 8 tomorrow. Bye bye.